Alright, here we are. Crypto. Yeah. We got a long way to go. We gotta keep this in maintenance mode. Alright, we gotta keep cash on cash building. Yeah, I know, probably not the super premier time, but I think we're coming out from the doldrums. Bitcoin's going up. It's going up and up and up. New highs of month over month here, and it's a good deal. I think we're going to be going to a good place. 150 is my target. 150K. I think it's a good deal, and I got to make sure when it goes, it catches everything else with it. So I don't want to ignore these other smaller altcoin that we have here on the app, and we don't want to miss out on all that interest. So we just got to make sure we do maintenance on it every so often. You can see some of it's building up. I don't like it to get that high, but stuff happens in life, and hang in there. So be sure you come up here and join up. Thanks for watching.